Hi there, I'm DeGraff from Quality Edge, and we're installing some GutterGekko inside miters here on this inside 90-degree corner on this house with an asphalt shingle roof. As you can see, we already have GutterGekko installed with our zip screws. Coming up to this corner, I've already set it in place and we're ready to go. In this situation, we probably have a 16-foot valley. So this diverter was here. We've just taken it off with all the caulk and everything. We'll throw the inside miter on here and show you a little bit of water coming down the roof. The first thing you want to make sure of is if your gutter is pinched in or the drip edge is out a little bit, you're probably going to need to cut away a little bit of the aluminum gutter here if needed, maybe pull it in or out. This inside corner, ideally, is exactly the size we need it. This edge right here will sit inside the 90-degree corner. If you need to, you could bend this in. If the gutter isn't perfect, to just set it right on top. This will sit on the gutter as well. So the frame of the corner, obviously I've conveniently already set this up, so this just fits in here perfectly. Then we have our screen, which we're going to attach. Very important aspect of this corner, before you install it, I did this yesterday, seal all these seams. You could have drips that come out of these seams, so I just seal with some gutter sealant. I'm going to set this inside the inside 90. So I'm caught on both edges there. I've got the GutterGekko coming right to the edge of the miter. Now with the inside miter, you want to have this pitching back a little bit so that water obviously coming down this way moves back this way. You wouldn't want the miter pitching out like that. So this is almost level. So now I'm ready to screw it in. I'm using white zip screws. You could spray paint this miter very easily to match the gutters. I like to use a magnetic hex head bit that really cuts down on the stress level. So I've got a hole in here already that I'm just going to use again. And there's a pre-drilled hole in this miter. Put a little sealant on those screws, that wouldn't hurt. Here's my screen. Now, because the miter is folded together, the seam is coming this way, so it's easiest to bring it in like this if you have shingles there. Remember, I'm going under the drip edge here also. That's good. Okay. So it's in place. You could, if you wanted to, attach the miter to the gutter right here. In this situation, I don't feel that's necessary. So a couple more zip screws. The pre-drilled holes on the outside. You just want to make sure that you catch this mesh. Good there. There we go. Okay, got it there. All right, we've got this inside miter installed. You can see how easy that was. We'll show you what it looks like with just a little water coming down. This is by no means a complete representation of a full-on rainstorm. Pretty straightforward. Obviously, until it catches, you might have a couple drips come across the front, but here's all my water, and with your universal cleaning tool, if you ever needed to, you could just spray anything off. That's the inside 90 GutterGekko miter.